welcome back to my channel. So let me put something on my lips. Okay, I'm back. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial today, and it's going to be one of the requested makeup tutorials. So I'm going to pick one that's really simple and quick because I have to go to varsity soon. So I think I'm going to do this one in blue, which says nude or pink with glitter eyes. So that's what the comments said. I'm assuming it's nude or pink lip with glitter eyes, which I can do. So let's jump right in. So I'm using the Benefit Brow in the number 4. So I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna speed it up because you see me do my brows, and there's a brow tutorial too actually. So I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so my brows are done. I'm not setting them because I lost my, brow setter thing. Yeah, so we're gonna move on. So I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna prime my eyelid with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Cool Tan. Setting that with my LA Girl Pro Face powder. Okay, so now that our eyes are prepped, we're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna use the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm gonna start with this yellowy color. I'm going with the same brush and going to this orange here. Okay, so I'm going to take a smaller brush and go into that orange over there. So I'm going into this reddy orange. Now go back in with a big fluffy brush and take the first color and just run it over everything. And then I'm going to take my ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to go into that color just to give it a little pinky, a little more pinky roll. Now I'm taking this pressed glitter palette. You saw it in my haul. I'm going to take this glitter. Woo! That's what I didn't want to do, and I did it anyway. That's amazing.
What's going on?
Nothing.
You want to open the gate in the gate?
a small brush. I'm just going to like make sure that blends as seamlessly as possible. As seamlessly as you can get it to blend. Okay, you guys, so my dad just dropped in unexpectedly and he decided he's gonna spend time in my room and everyone else apparently. So I'm just applying the Essence, the False Lash Mascara, and then I'm going to apply the Lash Style by Eyelure in the number 117. These are the texture lashes. And then for my primer, I use the Inglot Makeup base that has SPF 20 in it. I love it. It's really good. Protects my face, so that's amazing. And then for foundation, I'm going to use the Rimmel 24-hour lasting foundation. I am the color Caramel, I believe. 1 second. Yes, warm caramel. So I'm going to blend that in with my brush and then go over that with my beauty blender. I actually love how my face looked when I did this. I noticed that the beauty blender really does take away a lot of the product. So going in with the brush first and then just going over it with a beauty blender, I feel like looks really good. You can try it if you want to or not. Whatever. So I'm just going to apply the lash here really quickly. I just wanted to show you. I don't think I've ever shown you how I apply my lashes. But I usually put them down in the middle, and then the outer portion, and then actually, there's really no rhyme or reason to it. However it feels the most secure at the time is what I do. Now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the same one in the color Cool Tan. And I'm applying it to all the places that I want to brighten. Then I'll go in and blend that out with my beauty blender. To set all those places, I'm using my Almey Loose Finishing Powder. This was filmed a while back, so I still had this powder before I put the Ben Nye in it. So this is the Almey powder, and then I placed that on all the places where I put the concealer. Taking my LA Girl Glam Blush Palette, I'm going to use the bronzer to sculpt out my jawline and just to kind of make my forehead look smaller. You know, cheat a little. And then I'm going to let Original Nicole take over so she can handle this video from there on. Taking this Glam palette, that's the one that I used to bronze. So I use that, and I'm going to use this. Okay, so to highlight my face, I'm going with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, Mega Glow in Precious Petals. My favorite highlighter of all time. This stuff is amazing. First, I'm taking on a flat brush. It's like an angled flat brush. I'm gonna run it along my brow bone just to get that arch. favorite part. Okay, so to set my face, I'm going to take this M.O.D makeup setting spray. I was supposed to clean that up. I forgot. I guess it's here to stay. Let me go get my lip color and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so to finish off this look, I'm going to use, so the request asked it for a pink or nude. So I'm going to do a pinky nude, just like a best of both. So the pinky nude that I'm going to use is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Baby Doll. And I'm going to use it with a plum lip liner. Okay, I just threw on my wig real quick in case you didn't notice, but I'm pretty sure you did. So I made it a lot more pink than I would normally go. A lot more pink. More pink. But that's just because the person asked for a pinky nude and I don't want to do like a plummy nude or whatever. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry that it was a bit of a like roller coaster. I just had unexpected visitors and they wanted to be in my room like really super close to me. So that's why half of it is like voiceover and the other half is just me talking, you know. But anyway, I'm actually going to throw on a hat and I'm on my way to varsity. But thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe. Click the little red button. Click on the one down below though. Don't click on the screen. Yeah, be sure to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all three of them. I also have a Facebook page. If you're on Facebook a lot, it's just Nicole Khumalo. YouTube, you can check me out on there as well. So I will see you guys in my next video.